Good morning, students. Welcome back. Myself, Jyoti Saroj, your mathematics teacher. So, student, we had started with the chapter Direct and Inverse Proportion. This is chapter number 9 of your mathematics textbook. As you all know, we had started with our second term. So, student, we already completed with practice set 38 of this chapter. So student, in this module we are going to start with another practice set of this chapter. So let's begin. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask in group or on my personal number. So student, I hope and request you all to watch the entire video carefully and thoroughly. So let's begin. So student, we had already completed with practice set 37 of this chapter. In that we had solved the sum of direct proportion. Once again I am explaining you about direct proportion. Student, more articles purchased, so total cost increases. More petrol, more the distance traveled. So quantity X increases, so quantity Y also will increase. Quantity X decreases, so quantity Y decreases. Student, डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन मतलब अगर क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज हुआ तो दूसरा भी क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज होगा. लाइक अगर आर्टिकल परचेज हुआ, ठीक है, ज़्यादा आर्टिकल परचेज हुआ, ठीक है, आर्टिकल्स इंक्रीज हुआ तो उसका कॉस्ट भी इंक्रीज होगा. तो ये डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन है, दोनों चीज़ इंक्रीज हो रही है. अंडरस्टूड? सो एक्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वाई. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट? डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन में क्या होता है, दोनों चीज़ आर्टिकल्स अगर इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो कॉस्ट भी इंक्रीज होगा, ना कि डिक्रीज होगा. तो इंक्रीज जब दोनों इंक्रीज होता है तो दैट इज डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. I hope student you understood what is direct proportion. Now inverse proportion, which we are going to solve in this module. So student, inverse proportion or inverse variation is the relationship between two quantities whose product remains constant. As one variable increases, the other decreases. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट, एक वेरिएबल इंक्रीज होगा तो दूसरा डिक्रीज होगा इन प्रोपोर्शन सो दैट द प्रोडक्ट रिमेन्स द सेम. अंडरस्टूड? डायरेक्ट में क्या हो रहा था, दोनों इंक्रीज हो रहा था या तो दोनों डिक्रीज हो रहा था. इनवर्स में क्या होगा, एक इंक्रीज होगा तो दूसरा डिक्रीज होगा, एक डिक्रीज होगा तो दूसरा इंक्रीज होगा, सेम नहीं रहेगा. अंडरस्टूड? सो एक्स वाई is equals to k, so y is equals to k upon x. This is the formula. Understood? So where k is constant of variation and can have any value other than 0. It can be any value. For example, 30 days required to read a pages, 40 pages. So 30 into 40 here, so how many days will require to read 80 pages? So here 30 into 40 is equals to, here k के जगह पे क्या आएगा, 40 into x और y. Understood? Now let us see a example. Workers on the job. If two loaders can fill a truck in 4 hours, how many loaders are needed to fill it in 1 hour? ठीक है, लोडर्स 2 है, आर कितने हुए, 4. देखो लोडर्स डिक्रीज हुआ, आर्स क्या हो गया, इंक्रीज. तो इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. हियर 4 तो अगेन आर्स क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है, 2 हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज इंक्रीज डिक्रीज. तो क्या हो रहा है, ये इनवर्स. 8 लोडर्स है तो 1 आर. सो एज द लोडर्स इंक्रीजेस द आर्स decreases. So this is nothing but the inverse proportion. I hope this is clear to you all. Here is the formula for direct proportion and inverse proportion. Y is equals to k into x, y is equals to k upon x. Okay. Let us begin with practice set 38. So student, let us start with practice set 38. So first sum, 5 workers take 12 days to weed a field. How many days would 6 workers take? How many would 15 take? So student, as now we had learned about inverse proportion. Okay, inverse proportion means quantity increases, so price will decrease. Okay, so here as you can see 5 workers take 12 days to weed a field. 5 worker was there, 12 days. ठीक है, 5 वर्कर थे तो 12 दिन लगा. तो अभी 6 वर्कर है तो कितना दिन लगेगा? बट ऑब्वियस अगर 5 वर्कर है तो ज़्यादा लगा डेज. अगर 6 वर्कर होंगे तो डेज कम होगा, क्योंकि काम जल्दी जल्दी, एक और बढ़ गया वर्कर तो काम जल्दी जल्दी होगा. तो दैट मीन्स 6 वर्कर तो मतलब डेज क्या होंगे? कम हो जाएंगे. और अगर 15, हाउ मेनी वुड 15 टेक? ओके, 15 मीन्स 15 वर्कर्स हो जाएंगे तो और भी लेस डेज होगा. येस और नो? Okay, so let us see now how to do this sum. So first question I had written same. So let us do the solution. Let us suppose 6 workers will take X days. Okay, student, 5 workers, 6 workers has been asked, so we will assume कि 6 workers will take X days. Okay, to weed a field. To weed a field. So as the number of workers increases, the number of days decreases. बोला ना इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. इन्वर्स मतलब क्या होता है? इन्वर्सनली प्रोपोर्शनल मतलब एक इंक्रीज होगा तो एक दूसरा डिक्रीज होगा. डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन में क्या होता है? दोनों इंक्रीज होगा या तो दोनों डिक्रीज होगा. अंडरस्टूड? सो इन्वर्स प्रोपोर्शन में of worker increases, the days will decrease. Number of days decreases. So the number worker and number of days. So the student, I am writing short form, number of workers and number of days are in inverse proportion. Okay, this much is clear to you all. This statement is very necessary. Okay, compulsory. So therefore 5 into 12, 5 workers and 12 days. So 5 into 12 is equals to 6 into x. Okay student, 6 into x. Therefore 12 5s are 12 5s are 60 is equals to 6x. 6 into x is 6x. Therefore this x will come here, this 60 will go here. So what will happen? 60 upon 6. Okay, why? Because this is multiplication. So multiplication will come here, so it will become division. Okay, so 6 ones are 6 tens are. Therefore student x is equals to 10 days. हो गया ना, डेज कम. नाउ 15. ठीक है, 6 वर्कर ने कितने दिन लिए? 10 डेज लिए. ओके, टू वीड अ फील्ड. नाउ वी विल सी 15 वाला. ओके, सेम वे स्टूडेंट, let us suppose now, let us suppose let us suppose 15 workers. Okay, 15 workers will take y days. Okay, x we use na, so now y. You can take any of the alphabet. Y days to weed a field. Okay, here I don't have space, so now I will write here. Okay, so therefore again 5 into 12 is equals to 15 into y. Student, as you can see here 15. ठीक है, तो 15 into y. Therefore 5 12s are again 60 is equals to 15 y. Y will come here is equals to 16 upon 15. So student, 16 15 ones are 15 fours are is 60. So therefore y is equals to 4 days. है ना, कम हुआ ना डेज, तो ये इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. सो hence this is the answer. Hence 6 workers will take 10 days while 15 workers will take 4 days to weed a field. Am I clear to you all? Now second sum. Mohan Rao took 10 days to finish a book, reading 40 pages every day. How many pages must he read in a day to finish it in 8 days? ठीक है, देखो 10 days में 40 pages he read. Now how many pages must he read to finish it in 8 days? See, here I written the same question. Now let us see the solution. Let us suppose Mohan Rao will have to read X pages every day, because we don't know, as the number of days decreases, the number of pages increases. So the number of days and number of pages are in inverse proportion. Okay, they are in inverse proportion. Now therefore 10 into 40 is equals to 8 into x. Okay, so 10 40s is 400 is equals to 8x. Now x will come here and this will go there, so 400 upon 8. So therefore 8 ones are 50s are. Okay, so x is equals to 50 pages. So hence Mohan Rao, I don't have space student, that's why I am writing here. Mohan Rao will have to read 50 pages. Okay, so 50 is the answer. Student, now see third sum. Mary cycles at 6 km per hour. How long will she take to reach her aunt's house, which is 12 km away? If she cycles at a speed of 4 km per hour, how long would she take? Student, here you can see two questions have been asked. So accordingly we will solve. Same question I had written here. Okay. So first we'll see given. Okay. So case first. Speed is 6 km per hour. Okay. Distance is 12 km. Therefore, time. Formula: time is equals to distance upon, this is upon sign, okay, upon speed. So, therefore, time is equals to distance is 12 km upon 6. 1s are 2s are. Therefore, time is equals to 2 hours. 2 hours. Now, case second. Speed is equals to 4 km per hour. Distance is equals to 12 km. Same, time is equals to distance upon speed. So, therefore, time is equals to, how much is distance? 12 upon 4. 1s are 3s are. So, therefore, time is equals to 3 hours. So, hence, if speed of cycle is 6 km per hour, then Mary will take 2 hours. And if speed is 4 km per hour, Mary will take 3 hours. Understand? I hope this is clear to you all, student. Now let us see sum number 4. The stock of a grain in government warehouse lasts 30 days for 4,000 people. How many days will it last for 6,000 people? So student, let us see the solution. The statement, let us suppose the stock of grain in a government warehouse lasts X. We are considering X days for 6,000 people. As the number of people increases, the number of days decreases. So, the number of days and number of people are in inverse proportion. So, therefore, 30 into 4,000 is equals to 6,000 into X. Therefore, 30 into 4,000 is 12,000. is equals to 6000 x. Therefore, x will come here. So 120. Okay, it should be 120, 1,20,000. 1,20,000 upon 6,000. Okay, 0 0 got cancelled. So 2 20 is 120. So therefore x is equals to 20 days. So hence the stock of grain in a government last 20 days. Okay, for 6,000 people. So student, we had completed with practice set 38. I hope you all understood this. Now I want you to write this practice set without copying into your notebook, mathematics notebook. So student, we had completed with practice set 38. In next module, we will solve practice set 39. Student, I want you all to do this practice set into your mathematics notebook. Student, if you like my video and you want me to make some more educational video, then do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then student, take care. Thank